Hello beauty, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys doing great. In today's video, I want to prepare a powerful head moisturizer and conditioner. Here I have my 2 cups of whole flour. I just add it on the pot, add some water and mix with low heat. After that, I will put it on the blender, add some water, I will blend it until smooth. After blending, I will filter it. This is optional, I prefer to do it this way. Just look at that, it's so creamy. Now I will keep it aside. Here, this is my avocado. Let me start cutting it before blending. Here I have my shea butter. Let me melt it. I will measure it with 2 tablespoons. And also with 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. So my hair mask is almost ready. Let me start mix everything together. If you are curious to see the result, just watch how I applied the hair mask. This hair mask is prevent hair fall and improve hair growth. It also treats dandruff. It will also make your hair so shine and soft. So just try this hair mask, then just tell me the results. When I finish moisturizing the hair, I will cover it with shower cap. I will set the time on my phone, leave it for about 35 minutes. I'm finished raising the hair. I really love how it comes out. It looks so soft and shiny. I will use my hair dryer comb to straighten the hair a little bit. This is my thread. I will use it to style the hair as protective hairstyle. Look at this hairstyle. I love it. It takes me back to my memory. This is how I plait my friend hair those days. It will also plait mine. We use this thread to straighten our hair then. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Thank you, lovely. Bye.